Hello guys, it's me, Fox again. I'm sorry for the lack of intros, but I don't really think I have the time to set up my proper intro. So with, my plush avatar, or losing its fake wings and all that. But as you can probably tell by looking through the windows, it's storming in, Florida. And recently, we're currently in the hurricane season, so just look at that and tell me you're glad to be in a desert area or somewhere else that's not like this right now. So if Jay would please shut up. Yeah, it's raining like really bad outside and all of that. But yeah, as you can see, oh well, it's gone now. But anyways, yeah. Comments on if it's raining where you are or not.